Thank you very much. Ten years ago, Jackie Nurinaya read a eulogy for her batch. My younger brother James, written by then Colonel Domingo Bugway. It's so sad that today I will do the same to my second cousin, the late Major General Domingo Bugway. He started his life journey when he was conceived in his mother's womb, the late Auntie Margarita. Auntie has a sibling in the person of the late Auntie Filomena Albuta. His father, the late Alberto Bugway Sr., has also two siblings, the late Dominga Laboye, and another sister, Felisa Puguo. He was born on March 25, 1968, the sixth child, seventh son, but then Adrian went ahead when he was so young. You know, in our city of Huyaman, I observed that the average number of siblings is 7. So this family they are actually 8, but then came to 7. The lowest is the family of Pangaliwan, and the highest is the family of Pakilabuan with 9. And for us, it's 8, 7, 8, 8. Of course, with no electricity and other recreations, kaya naging kanyan. He was christened Domingo Buyayo Bugway to carry the name of the late Domingo Pinquian, who shared them a shelter when their house was burned together with the house of Uncle Miguel Pangaliban. The Pangaliban family, I think they went to Poblacion and they shared the house of the Kiputs. But alas, when he was in grade 1, his mother, who is a comprador, is a trader, met a fatal end when the vehicle they were on dropped in a creek in Payawan, Lama. He was not able to fully feel the touch of his kind and loving mother. He finished his elementary here in St. Joseph and continued his high school also in St. Joseph. As a high school student, life is a struggle for a sibling. Of course, if not all of us in Huyaman are in the same situation. 2 of his brothers are already in college, taking up electrical and civil engineering in SLU, Baguio City. One time, my brother asked me to go to Baguio, for he is also taking BS Commerce, together with one board house of Patanda, my brother, the late Engineer Peter, and my brothers. Noon na po kailan sa UT, kalabasan ng pawit na ng Mormon, pakayatan na sa UT na record. So we enjoyed eating sa UT all the time. Most of us, including Domi, as he was born, in Visayas, we call him Don. But for us neighbors, it's Domi. For the Bats, it's Ingu. So he has 3 names. Had to work, Domi as was born, had to work for his family in school. Kita mga balibala, buga kape, makimono, etc. Worse is I remember vividly RSJ's elementary uniform, yung makamansaan. So, siyempre, adi makakatang our parents can afford to buy extra dress for us, including my cousin. Our favorite time is during vacation. Why? The long vacation, especially the long vacation. Because we have to continue, we have to continue having to work for whatever income he could derive. Especially his classmate here in Oliaban, in Sanabel, John Reguion, Clarence, my uncle Clarence Pagmon, Glenn Dunwan, and my late brother James. Talagang they go to work to earn. It is the time to earn more in Amakibokla. What they observed from their older brothers and cousins, they emulated it. Sleeping together, as was shared by the Bats during the service at their house, then playing chess, especially the boys, they are good in playing chess. One even has his, I think, athlete in SLU, non-athlete because of chess, the right direct chess. And then singing, mabulan, nagkakataan. That was us, that was Dominic. One vacation time, I was in the forest, bringing down sawed logs than a chainsaw to the place where carabaos can ferry the wood. The rate that time is 20 centavos per board foot. I saw Dominic and Alvin Duluan with their carabaos coming up to the mountain. So, kaputi, yung kalabaw ni Dominic is mas malaki, 100 per foot yung kaya. Kaya makakuha siya ng 2.20 and 40 centavos yung earnings niya. Si Alvin, maliit yung kalabaw niya, kaya 16 pesos lang yung binokla niya. It can carry 84 foot, it's nearly 4 hours. It is 4 hours from the mountain, it's 4 hours going down, where the vehicle can carry already the wood. You see how Dominic really worked for his survival. He helped himself so much. In 1982, I was second year college in Bayambong. That was a Saturday. It was nearly 6 o'clock. I went to catch up in the last full show in Solano. Mahilig kami makikuya ako singing. It was also mentioned by Clarence. I went to catch up the last full show in Solano. Exactly when I entered the house, I heard voices inside. Like, wala man kanda. Our man is here. Siyempre, if you enter the movie house, you cannot see. But they will see because the eyes is already adjusted to the dimness of the movie house. So they came near me, and then I saw them. It was Ading James, Ading Nestor, Ading Dominic. There are 3 of them. So, tinanong ko sila, napanood niyo ba ang movie? Sabi nila, 2 beses na. Para nawalan ako ng gana na hintayin ko para 3 times na mapanood nila ng pelikula. Kaya sabi ko sa kanila, uwi na lang tayo sa Morning House ko sa Rainbow. So, nagamit kami pa yung mga Morning House ko. Early morning, kanina yun, I will give you a haircut. Siyempre, they are happy. So, pinutisan din ang tulog. Ading ko na si Dominic. Baka nung putis ko yung kay Banawi Rice Terraces. Aginig po. And for me, I think I did my best to have them a haircut. And I believe that they were not scolded when they arrived home. Because naputisan lang. Agibinohoran niya ang magdalita. In college, Dominic took up civil engineering. While taking up engineering, he took the exam, passed it. And so he graduated in 1990. Member of the Bikis Lahi, PMA class, 1990. As a second lieutenant. Prior to the travel to the assignment, he came home and we had some conversations at storytelling, and I told him, file a girder and marry. Swerte kaya he followed my advice. Just after 3 years after our conversation, after less than a month of romance, they were blessed with 3 sons and 3 apostles who moved who are now the seventh generation under the Ananayo Inopia at Iwat clan. Yung last na anak mo is the seventh generation of our clan. He was promoted to the highest rank of Major General after 38 years, 11 months, and 24 days. He called for military service and retired March 2025, just this year. And then he told me, "Get pa retirement mo, kanakalik, sumaruha." So I also retired this June 7, just June 7. Prior to his retirement, as if it is a premonition, he established his residence there at Sitio Lampa, Bagingay, organized the Magitla Botanic Land, and had a first reunion attended by more than 1,800 members at their residence. Binari na ng ampot na, binupala nila, sinelebrate na yung ama na yung iba na. Pinakasal niya yung anak niya doon din. Tapos in-establish niya yung farm na doon. Tapos yung last ginawa, he invited General Tubig, also his own, beside his president. So, Manopol and General build their house here. And then he papaspas na. He is rushing. We will celebrate this June 1st. July 1st. So July 1st, he called on Father Charles, our cousin under the Magita clan, and my first cousin. And so, we celebrated the house blessing. Nakita ko siya. Sunod-sunod kay Paddy. From their house, to the new house, to the pool, everywhere he went. Muli naman pa eh. Nakita ko yan. Kami medyo mahinang tuhod. Hindi na kami sumama sa ibang parte. But he grounded. And then, we had a program, short program. I saw him congratulating those visitors coming in. And so we started the program. I called him to say the welcome address. He had the welcome address to the visitors. So that's as if this story will be continued by Jackie up to the last Sunday before he died on Monday. I think they had a gathering last Sunday before his death. Now he survived by his siblings, Manuel Rogelio and family, adding Leopoldo and family, then adding Jimlin and family, adding Alberto Jr. and family, his wife Yeye, son Rayo, Doni, and Joseph Albert, yung bulilit nila. And their inapo, Elisha Alonso, we have Thea, and grandchildren, Elwood J, Edward Dominic, and Elisha Alonso. Farewell, adding po, join now your apos. Join your aunties and uncles and your loving mama and papa. Your brother Adrian, your brother Engineer Peter, and your sister Attorney Corita. And also your 12 classmates who have gone ahead of you. Thank you very much. And on behalf of the AIA clan, we would like to thank each and every one of you who extended help and your prayers to our family.